So this is just a legibility check. Over the course of 2 days, I made quite a few backgrounds, and I made several different text effects here. And I'm just going to turn these eyeballs off, the switches for visibility, and just show you that regardless of the background, you can read the text quite easily. If you just keep your eye on the text as these different backgrounds pop up, this is what you're after. The ability to see and read those words very easily, no matter what's happening behind them. So the outer glow and the stroke really do work if you're careful with them and get that contrasting color. It can be very difficult to see without having a background. For example, you would want that white outer glow in your PNG with anything that you're going to put on top of something else. So having a background and seeing what it looks like is pretty important. This would be how I would export this if I wanted to keep that transparency.